Okay, do that again, baby. Show us how strong you are. He's just pushing off Daddy and holding himself up. Oh, you're getting strong, buddy. Good job, Jackson.
Oh yeah, it worked.
Oh, look at that. He just keeps going, unfortunately, sometimes.
Zetterberg and Rafalski got assists on Franzen's 18th. And it's Malhotra's line. It's trying to get the pushback.
I always get the camera out too late. Oh, there he goes. Oh, good job, buddy. Look at you. Oh, wow.
It's pretty impressive.
It is.
Here's Michael Samuelson. Slap shot. Big rebound. Eriksson tried to clear the puck and he hit Samuelson.
And the second I turn it off, he'll push off and hold himself there again. You know that, right?
Slows down in the blue line. He's got Franzen within. Into Eaves, and his stick was checked.
You can do it.
He's latched onto his own hands right now.
It looks like he's gonna push off again. Oh.
Samuelson up the middle. All he can do is tip it. Eriksson to Franzen.
Oh, now he's looking kind of content.
He's tired now.
Ballard missed it. Abdelkader takes it, then he lost the puck.
Oh, you're looking kind of drowsy now, baby. And I promise you, the second I turn this off.
We're seeing more mistakes than we saw in the first two periods when it was airtight. A little bit of fatigue too, Jim.
All right, bye-bye.